Are you tired of your app's mundane login page? Do you yearn for an exclusive and captivating portal that leaves a lasting impression on your users? Well, look no further. Introducing SIPSNITYA's innovative landing page feature. Let me guide you through the simple steps to transform your portal into a masterpiece. First things first, log in with your administrative credentials. Then, navigate to the Platform Tools module and head over to Portal Landing Page Interface. Here's where the magic happens. You have the power to customize your landing page using HTML and Bootstrap coding. It's as easy as pie. But hey, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, fret not. We've got you covered with example codes available on our support forum. Simply download the sample code, paste it into the landing page interface, enable it, and voila! Your sample landing page is ready to impress. And the best part? You can tailor the code to suit your specific requirements. It's that simple. For any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our dedicated support channel. Your satisfaction is our priority. Thank you for choosing SIPSNITYA. Let's elevate your portal experience together.